Did you know that 63% of Americans are financially illiterate? That's right, almost two-thirds of the population struggles to understand basic financial concepts. This startling statistic underscores a tremendous gap in our education system and highlights the crucial need for financial literacy. It's a pressing issue that affects not only individual prosperity, but also our economy as a whole. But what does it mean to you? It means the decisions you make regarding your financial future could be made in the dark unless you take action. If you are enjoying this content so far, please take a short moment to like and subscribe. We would much appreciate the opportunity to enrich your knowledge. Remember, it's never too late to start learning about finances. Let's break this cycle of financial illiteracy. Today could be the start of your journey towards financial literacy and mastering the efficiency of how you use money in your daily life. There are really only two smart things to do with money. Number one is to build assets. Number two is reducing debt. In order to learn how to decide between the two, we have to start the process of learning about interest. Financial understanding is not just about managing the pennies, but about making informed decisions that significantly affect your future. We will discuss the potential damaging effects of financial illiteracy, such as the trap of debt and missed investment opportunities, and on effective money management and sound investment planning, with a specific relation to understanding opportunity cost. Financial literacy is not just about understanding money, it's about making informed decisions that can shape your financial future. Financial literacy is crucial for navigating the financial challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Experts will agree unanimously that financial literacy is not an extravagance, but a requirement to achieving efficiency with your money. The first step towards financial literacy is understanding money matters. Imagine being in a foreign country without understanding the language. Sounds daunting, right? That's exactly how it feels when you're in the world of finance without understanding its language: money. To navigate this world, you need to start reading and researching about finance. Start with the basics. Get a grasp on common financial issues that everyone deals with: saving money, paying bills, managing debt, and investing. These are the pillars of personal finance, and understanding them will give you a solid foundation. Think of saving money as a safety net. It's the cushion you fall back on when unexpected expenses hit. Paying bills might seem straightforward, but it's more than just handing over cash. It's about understanding your obligations, prioritizing payments, and ensuring you're not overpaying. Then there's debt management. Debt isn't inherently bad, but mishandling it can lead to financial ruin. Learning about interest rates, repayment terms, and strategies can help keep debt under control. And investing, it's not just for Wall Street tycoons. Even with a small amount, you can start investing. Understanding how it works can turn your money into a wealth-building tool. Lastly, don't forget the time value of money. This concept is crucial in making informed decisions about budgeting and investing. It's the idea that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its earning potential. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about finances, the better decisions you can make. Using financial management tools can significantly simplify your financial journey. Now let's delve into the world of these tools. There's a whole array of options out there, each with its own unique features designed to assist with different aspects of financial management. You've got budgeting tools that help you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring you're spending within your means. Then there are investment tools that can guide you through the investment landscape, helping you make informed decisions. Next, debt management tools can help you strategize and plan to pay off your debts. And don't forget about retirement planning tools that can help you prepare for the golden years ahead. The beauty of these tools is that they're often digital, making them easily accessible and convenient to use anywhere, anytime. So, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, these financial management tools can make your life a whole lot easier. With the right tools at your disposal, managing your finances can become a breeze. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts or mentors. This is a vital step in your journey towards financial literacy. You see, even the most successful individuals recognize the importance of seeking professional advice when it comes to managing their money. Why, you may ask? Well, financial advisors and mentors have a wealth of knowledge and experience that can guide you in avoiding common financial pitfalls. They can provide insights into the intricacies of investing, help you understand the complexities of tax laws, and assist you in planning for a secure future. Moreover, they can offer a fresh perspective, shedding light on aspects of your financial life that you may not have considered. They can help you devise strategies tailored to your specific situation and goals, giving you a roadmap for financial success. So, don't hold back. Reach out to those who can guide you on this journey. Remember, seeking advice is not a sign of weakness, it's a smart strategy for financial success. Budgeting is a crucial part of financial literacy. It's all about knowing where your money is going and making sure it's working for you. When you create a budget, you're giving every dollar a job. You're deciding, in advance, how to spend your money, what to save, and what to invest. Consider your budget as a financial blueprint. Just as architects use blueprints to build skyscrapers, you use a budget to build your financial future. It ensures you're not spending more than you earn, helps you prioritize your spending, and keeps you focused on your financial goals. But remember, a budget is not a one-and-done deal. It's a living, breathing entity. It needs regular checkups and tweaks. Tracking your spending is the heartbeat of your budget. It keeps you accountable and helps you see where your money is going, which can be quite an eye-opener. A budget is more than just a financial tool. It's a roadmap to financial success. Setting and achieving financial goals is a key part of financial literacy. Embarking on a journey towards financial literacy requires a roadmap, and that's where setting financial goals comes in. These goals serve as guiding stars, helping you navigate the often turbulent waters of personal finance. You might be wondering, how do I set realistic financial goals? Start by identifying your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial desires. Short-term goals could be saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Mid-term goals might include buying a car or saving for a down payment on a home. Long-term goals tend to be retirement-focused or revolve around building substantial wealth. Once you've identified your goals, it's time to create a plan. Break down your goals into manageable chunks, assign a timeline to each, and start working towards them. The satisfaction of achieving these goals is unparalleled. It's a testament to your financial growth and an affirmation of your ability to handle your money wisely. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Make your financial dreams a reality by setting and achieving your financial goals. Planning for retirement is a crucial aspect of financial literacy. It's about more than just saving money. It's about preparing for a period of life when your income might be limited, but your dreams and aspirations aren't. Understanding retirement plans is key to this. Whether it's a 401(k), an IRA, or a pension plan, each has its own set of rules, benefits, and considerations. Starting to plan for retirement early can make a significant difference. The magic of compound interest means that even small amounts saved in your 20s can grow into substantial sums by the time you retire. It's never too early, nor too late to start. Remember, planning for retirement isn't just about the money, it's about envisioning the life you want to lead when work is no longer the primary focus. It's about planning for healthcare, leisure, travel, and even potential unforeseen circumstances. So remember, retirement is not an end, it's a new beginning. Start planning for it today. Investment is a key to growing your wealth. Let's dive into the fundamentals of investing. At the core, investing is about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting your hard-earned dollars sit idle, you put them in investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, or a small business, where they have the potential to grow. Now, a crucial concept to grasp is diversification. Think of it as the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. If one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Then there's the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. Your investments earn returns, which are then reinvested to earn even more. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. Remember, investing is not just about making money, it's about securing your financial future. If you learned anything from today's video, please take a moment and tap the like and subscribe button for more videos on health, wealth, and wisdom.